Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable mobile data and set your phone to allow USB tethering. Connect the data cable to your phone and PC now. Make sure the cable is data capable, not charge only. On Android, open settings right arrow network, right arrow hotspot and tethering, and toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, enable personal hotspot and trust the computer when prompted. Once done, your computer should detect a new network interface. Proceed to driver and adapter checks if it does not appear. Now configure the PC side. Open network settings and locate the new adapter labeled Mobile, RNDIS, or Apple Mobile Device. If it shows as unknown, update drivers via Device Manager, search for RNDIS or use the manufacturer driver. Make sure the adapter is enabled. Right-click to enable or diagnose. If your network doesn't obtain IP automatically, set a static IP and DNS that match the phone's tethering subnet, because correct addressing is why traffic routes through the phone. To finish, test internet access in a browser and monitor latency or throughput briefly. If pages don't load, disable VPNs and local firewalls temporarily and retry, because these commonly block tethered traffic. Restart both devices and reconnect the cable. Often a quick cycle resolves driver or negotiation errors. If still failing, check carrier APN or plan restrictions and inspect Device Manager for driver conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the RNDIS or vendor USB driver. This fixes most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.